I was talking to one of my sons. This is Isaac. He's working on his journeyman's license on a construction crew, and he was told by his crew that he would need to bring a passport or tribal ID to work every day because they are expecting visits from ICE. This is not a directive that was given to the white employees on the same crew. And so regardless of one's politics, just being brown is beyond just if someone is documented or undocumented. Just being brown in America is enough where you have to worry about what's going to happen and how to be prepared. And it's affecting things. You won't be able to read this because it's such tiny print, but this was a statement that came from the Red Lake Nation. They had a number of tribal citizens in the Twin Cities metro who were stopped by ICE and questioned and felt intimidated. And they are recommending that all tribal citizens carry a tribal ID or a passport to make sure that they don't get detained. And this is affecting everybody. The kids who come before you, whether they are documented or undocumented, native, or what have you, a lot of them are worried. Is it safe to go to school? Are my parents going to be safe when I go to school? We haven't been dealing with this quite long enough to have a longitudinal study and be able to tell you what the data says. But the anecdotal information coming from folks like you who are working in the trenches is this is actually affecting student attendance and their feelings of safety, engaging, and learning.